Hi, my name is Darius and I'm working as a junior network engineer for Switchshop. I graduated 2 years ago in computer networking. During my final year, I participated in the university poster day where I presented my final project. There, in the final year, I met Switchshop representatives where later they invited me to their open engineering day, where I learned about Switchshop work and culture. After that, I was offered a job as a junior network engineer. In my role, I primarily work with Aruba and Fortinet devices like switches, routers and firewalls. My academic background in computer networking gives me an understanding of how key networking concepts such as IP, addressing, subnet, routing are working and how I can apply them day by day. The university materials were more focused on CCNA or Cisco devices. That helped me to understand how Aruba or Fortinet devices work. At Switchshop, I had the opportunity to get hands-on experience, training, and being able to get certification. This helped me to get more experience and more practical hands-on skills. Being part of this partnership between Switchshop and University of Bedfordshire helps bridge the gaps between industry and academia, provides exposure to different technologies like Aruba and Fortinet, and working for Switchshop gives me ability and exposure to hands-on experience. A typical day at Switchshop, it can depend. Sometimes you've been working in a project, sometimes you're visiting a customer site. Last project that I've been involved was setting up a wired and wireless network refresh. I played a key role in setting and configuring the devices to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Switchshop provided me training from different vendors such as Aruba and Fortinet, certification like Aruba Campus Access and Fortinet Security. Working with experienced engineers gave me opportunity to learn and improve my skills.